Well, this is my 82 Ford Bronco Bullnose. You can tell because of the thing right here. The radiator's all messed up. Took the heads off. It's a good car. It's a Bronco. But I had a little malfunction here. So that happened when I took the heads off. Cylinder all messed up. Think about putting a Windsor in it. But it's a Cleveland. But I don't know about most mechanics. You know, they lose bolts and stuff. My bolts right here. Those just regular studs that go over here. They're real simple to find. These are the heads. Right here. I got the valves out. The rocker arms all disconnected. They're all put in a box right here. All nice and neat, in order and stuff. As you tell, I usually put the bolts right back in. See how the bolts are back in? So I keep from losing them. There's a valve that gave me the problem right there. But that's how I keep all the bolts like an auto mechanic so I don't lose them. It's real simple. But you see this truck, it's got a military green bar right here. It's all green. The rest of the truck is brown, even the interior. But that's what I'm working on. I'm going to swap it out. And my visors. The visors are the military green. Both of them. But that's what I'm working on. I don't know what I'm going to do, but that's what I'm working on. Okay, well, that's my video. Talk to you later.